You understand where I'm going with it? I'm not saying that...
Winford, me is a man of God. No matter what people want to look for me, me come here for a reason. And there's certain experience where NINJAMAN have to get.
Yes.
Where God send me go, which party he want send me go. I know business where God send me go, and which party long as when he send me, I come out back. So anywhere they want to take me to, anywhere they want to bring me to, any experience that they want me to get, till the time when God say, yo, a time for you to take up your work and do what you have to do now, NINJAMAN. Me no business.
Okay. How confident are you that you will win this case?
Yeah?
That you will walk free?
I'm going to give you a joke. You ask first if me win this case. How confident is me if me win this case? I never had a gamble with this case, so I neither win nor lose it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And you ask me if me will walk free. I never know say I don't charge murder. I never know say I don't spend 3 years in prison. So how